Green Eating, a guide to understanding sustainable food choices. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and important topic, green eating. If you're curious about what it means and why it matters, you're in the right place. Let's explore together how making green choices can impact not just your health, but the planet too. Green eating refers to the practice of choosing foods that are not only nutritious but also beneficial to the environment. This means consuming products that are grown and processed in ways that have a minimal environmental impact. It's about being mindful of where our food comes from and the journey it takes from farm to fork. Choosing to eat green has several benefits. Firstly, it supports sustainable farming practices that help conserve natural resources. Secondly, it reduces your carbon footprint since locally sourced and organically grown foods generally require less transportation and fewer chemicals. Lastly, green eating often leads to a healthier diet as it encourages the consumption of more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. To practice green eating, start by incorporating organic produce into your meals. Opt for local and seasonal foods to reduce transportation emissions. Additionally, reducing meat consumption can significantly lower the environmental impact of your diet. Lastly, try to minimize food waste by planning your meals and using leftovers creatively. While the benefits are clear, green eating can come with challenges. Sometimes, organic and local foods can be more expensive or harder to find. There may also be confusion about food labels and what truly constitutes a green product. Education and awareness are key to overcoming these hurdles. We hope this video has shed some light on green eating and inspired you to make more environmentally friendly choices in your diet. Remember, every small step can lead to a big change for our planet. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on our next video. Happy green eating!